This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off Facebook Professional Mode. It's super easy process to turn off Facebook Professional Mode. Just follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch your Facebook. Make sure to sign into your Facebook account. And now go to your Facebook profile. And now, as you can see, currently I'm using Facebook Professional Mode. And here is my professional dashboard. To turn off or disable Professional Mode, I'm tapping on this 3 dot. And here tapping on Turn Off Professional Mode. Tapping on Continue. And tapping on Turn Off. And that's it. I've successfully turned off my Facebook Professional Mode. As you can see. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.